So now we're going to do the clutch cable. Just going to start at this end and take these primary bolts off, and then probably jack it up a bit so it's straight, and yeah, and then take the clutch out, and these clips here just seem to pull off, I think, the clutch cable, and yeah, I think there's like a circlip. I think we have to take this brake lever out, take this pin out maybe. It looks pretty easy, and yeah. So I think there's a T27. You want to put a lot of pressure pushing inwards when you try and undo them, just to avoid stripping them. So they all came off pretty easy, so we're just going to start taking this all off. So we've got to take the spring out, and then we can back this screw right out. I believe it's the opposite. I think it's clockwise to undo it and counterclockwise to tighten it, and then we can take this whole assembly off here, which connects to the clutch cable, and then we'll be able to undo this clutch cable. So yeah, and apparently there's some ball bearings inside this this part here, so be careful with that. But yeah, so hopefully now I can just pull this piece here out and you rotate it 90 degrees or 45 degrees that way. No, yeah, 90 degrees that way. So just going to have to undo this part here, and yeah, chuck the new one in. So just had to remove this clutch lever so I can take the cable out. It's just this circlip holding this in, and then there was also this pin here holding the cable in, and yeah, that was it. Alright, so just gonna chuck this new one on. A bit longer. And I'm gonna reuse this O-ring too. And yeah. So I got that on. It did take a while for it to thread in, to get it on the right angle, so just be patient and take your time. It should be sweet. Yeah, so the next thing is to chuck this whole assembly back together and hope that we don't drop anything. Should be alright. And yeah, so I just tighten this all the way in, snug, and then you're supposed to back it off quarter of a turn. So got that on. The problem I have is that I'm not able to adjust all the slack out, so there's a bit of slack, so I don't know if I need to I don't know what I need to do. Maybe there was too much free play. I don't know if it's possible to stretch it when I put it on. I've done the adjustment for the thing, I had to redo that, but still can't get all of the slack out. you're supposed to have a bit of free play, but not that much, I don't think. So yeah, and I run out of threads on the adjuster, so I can't adjust it any further. But yeah, I'm just going to carry on now, remove the gas tank, do the throttle, idle cables, and then come back to that.